Hi, this is Ben, and I'm going to show you how to use Fieldwire for common engineering workflows. In this video, I'll focus on using Fieldwire for inspections and QA/QC, so let's get to it. So let's say you're in this section of the roadway, and you know that you are needing to coordinate this trench excavation. There's a concrete slab pour that's going to require this pre-inspection before the pour is actually complete. One thing you can do with Fieldwire is you can pre-plan all your inspections in the section of areas that you know need to be coordinated. And essentially all you would do is in advance of the project starting, you would drop these task pins directly on the plan. And these task pins will essentially allow you to coordinate for the inspection to actually be completed. So here I've titled this concrete placement pre-pour inspection. I've set the status as high priority and categorized it as a concrete inspection type activity. I'm just going to assign it to the engineer on the project. They're going to immediately receive a notification on their iPad that this is an inspection that they need to coordinate. Or if they're in the office, they'll also receive a notification as well. I've set the location to identify the stations. So this is the roadway locations where this concrete inspection needs to occur. I can include a start and end date too for when I'm expecting this inspection to need to be completed, and also including the different man hours. This is attributes that aren't entirely necessary, but you can include them if you need to. I've also included this tag for concrete pre-pour inspection. That way at the end of the project, I'll be able to pull a report for all the pre-pour inspection activities. And over here on the left-hand side, you can see there's this checklist that I've created. This is a project checklist that my company has agreed is the right steps through the inspection that we need to make sure we run through for every area on this project. These checklists can be created either one by one, or you can just select from an existing checklist template. You can see there's a number of templates on my project, including rebar placement templates, traffic control QC templates, forms and false work checklists. There's a kind of a wide variety of types of checklists that you can use. Within this task, this is really where you're going to be able to coordinate and collaborate anything that's occurred within this inspection. So, for example, any photos that you want to include, any files or reference documents that need to be included within this inspection. And then you can actually document compliance that the inspection was complete with a form. So the engineer can actually input all this data directly in the field as they're going through and working through this concrete reinforcing inspection, identify the location of where it occurred, identify the company, and then include all the inspection results. So in this example, the inspection failed. It identifies exactly the issues that were identified during the inspection. And then all these photos were actually included as an attachment as well. So because in this checklist, I've identified this inspection form needs to be complete and improved, I can see that this specific pre-pour inspection is not complete. It would need to be those inspection activities that were identified were incorrect, need to be resolved before this can actually be finalized. Once it is finalized, you'd be able to set the status to complete, and then an admin on the project, maybe that's the lead engineer, would be able to actually verify that yes, this inspection is complete, and then construction can continue. That was a general overview of how to use Fieldwire for inspections and QA/QC. Please let us know if you have any questions or need any assistance. Thanks.